What's going on, beautiful people? What's going on? It is your boy Nico. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, wait. Before we even talk about this video, yo, you guys gotta run to Trader Joe's and get this snack right here. It is called the 3-seed beet crackers. Yo, I'm going to be explaining a lot of my lifestyle changes and, you know, a lot of my goals in my next video. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that on Sunday. But I had to come to you guys with this snack because it tastes so damn good. They have beet powder, sunflower oil, black sesame seeds, flax seeds, paprika, chia seeds, onion powder, sea salt. When was the last time you guys can read off the ingredients list, everything you can eat and know what it means? So damn, you guys got to go out there and try these beet crackers. I don't want to start eating them on camera right now because my mouth is going to be salivating with food. So you guys are here today to see my trendy hypebeast luxury wish list of 2018. And what that means to me is that you are constantly seeing the trendy hypebeast in your face like every day. And the classic timeless pieces are slowly dying down. Nobody really wants it anymore. You know, it's timeless, it's classic, it's always going to be here. I know I can always go to the store and go ahead and get it. But the trendy pieces, the hypebeast items, there for that time being. And that's it. Once it's done, and it's just done. And I feel like, you know, as much as I just want to buy classic pieces, it's just boring. And I wouldn't be the maximalist if I just keep on buying these classic, timeless pieces. I want to throw in a little bit of fun. I want to throw in a little bit of hype, a little bit of color, a little bit of logos, and just to make my wardrobe well-rounded. So for 2018, I definitely want to have more fun, like, you know, like low-key fun, just to be like, you know what? You got that? Yeah, I got that. Or where'd you get that from? And more like that. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. So the reason why I create wish lists is because items keep increasing in prices, and you don't want to kick yourself in the face and be like, damn, I could have got that years ago for said price, and then now all of a sudden this year the price has gone up dramatically and I'm paying, you know, the inflated price, which makes absolutely no sense. So go ahead and stick to your wish list, and if you're gonna, like, you know, stare off from your wish list, make sure you take a look at it again just to make sure at least you get a couple of items. But without further ado, let's really get into this wish list. And because you guys know I am so organized, I created everything in categories. So the first category is jewelry, and it's just because it's the most expensive items, and I am going to be talking about prices today because, you know, I got to be transparent to you guys. I don't want you guys doing all the research and looking while you could just be watching my video. So the first item that I want, which has been on my wish list for years, is the Just Include bracelet by Cartier. That bracelet cost $6,800, and I think it went up. Like when I really first discovered it, I don't know what the price was, but right now it's $6,800, and I do want to get it this year before the price goes up again, because I'm pretty sure everything's going to be going up this year as always. So it is the nail bracelet. I definitely think it's going to just finish off my stack. That would be like, you know, the final item that I want on my arm. Maybe another little love bracelet, I'm not too sure, but for right now the Just Include will finish off my stack, and I just love it. That's my personal goal for myself. I already know I had set goals in my head, so that is definitely one item that I want to get, is the Just Include Cartier nail bracelet. So the next item that I want, again, is still from Cartier, and that is the Trinity ring. And just the reason why is because 3 is my favorite number. I was born on the 3rd, so quite naturally, like, you know, I was just going to gravitate towards things in 3. And that ring, it means something special to me because it does come with 3 rings. One is rose gold, one is white gold, and one is yellow gold. And I just think that that will just finish off my stack for my fingers. For me personally speaking, the ring costs, there's 2 sizes. The extra small one costs $800, or the small one costs $1,140, and I don't know which one I want to go to yet, but I'm planning to wear the rings on these fingers. You guys already know I have the Just Include ring, which I wear it on my middle finger. Then I have my love rings, which I wear it on my ring finger. So I'm thinking about getting either the Trinity ring to fit on my index finger or to fit on my pinky finger, just to have it like all in unison. And I just think that, again, will finish off my stacks for my rings. And I do want to watch, but again, I'm not a watch person, so I'm not even sure which watch I should get, what my beginner watch should be. Should I get the Apple Watch, but I'm not into the technology as well? Should I get like a little Nixon watch? Should I get a I don't know. I'm not too sure about watches, but I definitely do want to invest in a watch, but nothing too crazy because I don't know if I'm going to wear it. So I want to get something in the lower ballpark first to see if I'm going to wear it, and then if I wear it every day, day and I'm like, oh my goodness, I really am starting to love watches, then I will invest in a great watch. If you guys have any recommendations, definitely leave that down in the comment section down. So the next category that I want to talk about are shoes, everything that has to do with footwear. And you guys already know I am a sneaker and shoe junkie. I love shoes. I'd rather purchase a shoe and have no outfit to match with it, but as long as I have that shoe, I know that the outfit will come later. First sneakers that I want, well, the first category of sneakers that I want is dad sneakers. Now again, they're very trendy, they're very hype beast right now. Either the Gucci right in leather sneaker, and they range from $740 all the way up to $840. So I don't know if I should get the Gucci one or the Balenciaga Triple S's, which are $850. They're very hard to find right now, but I did text my SA to be like, at least let me try them on to see if I do want to purchase them. And then the last but not least are the Dior home trainers, which just came out not too long ago, and they are $970. So again, I'm not too sure which one I should get. So the next pair of sneakers that I really want are a pair of Yeezys. Are people even getting Yeezys anymore? Are Yeezys even a thing? But for me, they are very comfortable, so that's why I want a pair. They are in the $200 price range if I'm not mistaken, and they are still pretty much hard to get. But I'm gonna contact my what do I call him? My hype man, my plug, Mr. Plug, you know who you are. I'm gonna contact him and hopefully he can get me a pair of the beige ones. That's what I'm really thinking about getting. The next pair of sneakers that I really want, which I can get right now, but I just haven't gotten around to even trying them on, are the Nike Vapor Maxes. Those sneakers cost between $190 to $200. I really like the aesthetic of them. I think that they'll be great for running, and I just really want a pair for everyday use. And last but not least, the last shoe that I want to get, I know you guys are going to be very surprised, and they are definitely a pair of Saint Laurent Wyatt boots. I'm just starting to love them every time I look at them more, and I'm just like, you know what? Maybe these can definitely work in my wardrobe, and I just want them. I know I talked a lot of nonsense a couple of videos ago, but I'm really starting to, you know, like them and appreciate them for the type of Chelsea boot that they are. So the next category is bags, and for me, you guys already know I'm a bag lover. So right now I am looking at the Louis Vuitton Mini Palm Springs backpack, and for me, the reason why I really want that bag is because I'm going to use it as a fanny pack. You guys know fanny packs are definitely in, and I'm really not into the fanny pack, so I felt like if I get the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs mini backpack, which costs $1,940, and then get it with another strap, like a little shorter camera strap that costs $495, I think I can just, like, you know, make it into my little fanny pack and it'll be good to go. And I can also use the strap for my other bags. I can use the strap for my cameras. Like, I really thought about this strap because I wanted to make sure it was a good investment and not something stupid that I'm going to regret later on. So the next category for me is Gucci, and I feel that Gucci is like plastered over everybody, everywhere, and I definitely am getting bit by the Gucci bug, and every hype beast has Gucci. Like, let's just be serious. And I'm really wanting those Gucci socks. They range from $100 to $150 to $5, and I know it's like really steep and like stupid expensive for a pair of socks, but I think it would be really dope if you wear those socks, like, you know, with a pair of low-cut sneakers and a little pair of shorts, a little pair of sweat shorts, and a little t-shirt, and the Gucci socks are just speaking for your outfit itself. You don't want to say nothing, you just got your Gucci socks on and nobody can tell you nothing. And you guys already know how I feel about nobody telling you nothing when you're wearing something specific. Like, yeah, people chill, don't tell me anything. And the next item that I'm thinking about from Gucci are a pair of Gucci sweatpants, which range from like $795 all the way up to $1250. Right now my lifestyle is more athletic wear, and I definitely feel that is going to go into my everyday lifestyle. I want to incorporate more sweats, like more slim fitting sweats, to be dressed up and dressed down, and I definitely think a pair of Gucci sweatpants can definitely do that. So last but not least, fragrance, and the only fragrance that I really am lusting after this year, and it's only because I'm not sure if it's going to be a permanent collection or just something you get and then once it's done, is the Byredo Times Off-White Virgil a collaboration. He did do a collaboration that I saw with Byredo like earlier this year. I saw, like, you know, the promotions for it. It is called Elevator Music, and just the name alone is just like, you know, oh my goodness, I have to get that. And I know all the hype beast because of Off-White is gonna be on Byredo, but just know I've had Byredo before the hype began. It's all over here where my fragrances are, but I definitely have to get my hands on on that fragrance. I don't even know how it smells, nor do I care how it smells. I'm just hoping that it doesn't smell like piss. Of course, a little bit of items from Hermes is gonna be on this list, but I haven't really gave it a full thought. I haven't given up on the Kelly bag that I want, but whenever that bag comes in, then I'll decide if I want it or not. But I'm not gonna be sitting here not getting anything just to wait and hope to get that bag. So we're not doing that. So let's have a comment party down below. Tell me, do you guys have anything on this wish list? Help me choose a dad sneaker. Do you guys have any recommendations for me to get a watch? Do you want anything on this wish list? Like just let me know all that information down below, because you guys already know I love my comment party. So I'm gonna try to link everything in the description box that I talked about in this video, so you guys don't have to be searching crazy, you know, back and forth, be like, oh hey, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? But that's all I have for you beautiful people today. Definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button next to the subscribe button, and we're gonna be back here every week, either Sunday or Monday. I haven't figured out my posting dates yet. And that's all I have for you beautiful people today. Peace. I'm exhausted. Yo, I went to work, then I went to the gym, then I went grocery shopping, and now I'm here sitting and making a video for you guys. Oh my goodness. This is the water that I'm drinking. I drink gallons of water now just because I want to make sure to get as much water in my system. And I picked up this alkaline water if you guys are ever interested. Like, it's like 8.8 pH level. And it definitely tastes like a little different, but I don't mind it. And you guys know I wasn't gonna get off camera without texting these chips in front of you guys. So here's how it looks. And I only have like maybe a serving a day because I want it to last. Oh my god, this is so good. Definitely taste the onion powder and the paprika, which I love. I don't mind those flavors. I eat these with hummus. But peace people, bye.